The Nissan Murano key fob for models from 2005 to 2021 uses a CR2032 battery for its remote functions. A non-responsive remote often indicates a dead battery. To replace it, gently pry open the fob case using a small flat tool like a coin or screwdriver at the seam. For stubborn cases, apply heat from a hairdryer for 10 to 20 seconds to soften any adhesive, or use WD-40 to lubricate the latch. Once open, remove the old battery, noting the polarity, positive side up. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side up. Ensure you use a fresh battery to prevent shorts. Clean any corrosion with isopropyl alcohol before reassembling the case. After inserting the new battery, snap the key fob case back together securely. Test the key fob functions near your vehicle, including lock, unlock, trunk release, and panic alarm. If the remote doesn't work, reprogramming may be needed. For post-2016 models with Nissan Connect, use the smartphone app. For older models, insert key into ignition, turn to on, rapidly press lock-unlock buttons, turn off, then test. If issues persist, especially with corrosion or older models, consult a professional. Be aware of fake batteries.